welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's vlog. It is a Friday afternoon. I'm done work for the weekend and I'm just in the best mood ever, and I just thought we'd have a fun fall day, even though it's August 28th, but it's cooling down here in Canada. And I just thought we'd have like a cozy, fun, productive day. And I'm on my way to go do some fall shopping, which I'm filming a whole separate fall shop and decorate with me, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. There won't be too much shopping in this video, but I'll include some sneak peeks. And we're gonna decorate my office for fall and just have like a fun, cozy fall afternoon. Got my cold brew, which I wanted to share my cold brew hack with you guys. I love the pumpkin cream cold brew, but it's just way too sweet for me. You guys know I don't really like sweet coffee, and this is just a more friendly calorie option if you guys are kind of concerned about sugar, because there's a lot of sugar in that and I cannot drink that every day. So I just order a grande cold brew with almond foam and a pump of pumpkin in the foam. The actual pumpkin cream cold brew has no sweet cream foam, which to me, like, that's unnecessary. I just don't like things super sweet. So you like pumpkin because it's not a super sweet syrup, but I didn't realize that the pumpkin cream cold brew had vanilla sweet cream as the cold foam. I just thought it was like regular cold foam, so I just get it with almond cold foam and then a pump of pumpkin, and that's all you have to ask for. It's so good. It still tastes just as good. Guys, I just thought I'd share that little life hack with you guys. If you guys love getting the pumpkin cream cold brew, but you want it to be a little less calories and less sugar, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. But we're gonna head off to a few little Halloween stores today, so let's do it, see what we can find, do a little haul when we get home, and I can't wait. Guys, wow, this is my dream. Oh my god, look. We really love this mug. And then they also have some wine glasses, which are cute. Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. I love this wine glass. This is so cute. This one is super cute. If it was dogs, I'd get it, but that. Oh my god, this is so cute. This one is so cute, but it just doesn't match the house. I really want these, so I think I'm gonna get them. Back at Michael's now, they have so much cute stuff. I thought I wanted to get a C and an M for Matt and I, but I couldn't find any. And then they also have this little cute rustic farmhouse one. They didn't have that either, so. I need to get a little fall sign for my office, but I just don't know what to get. But they definitely have a lot of cute stuff. This, I love this sign. This is so precious. I love the woody. I'm going for the woody vibe this year. Alrighty guys, I just got out of Michael's and it was a total success. Everything was buy one get one free, so I spent 30 bucks and I got 4 things, which I think is pretty awesome. So I'll do a little sneak peek haul for you guys when we get home. You get a sneak peek of the fall decor shop with me. Although I don't know which video is going on first, so just at Walmart really quick to get puppy food for Stella, and someone posted on Instagram this morning that there was pumpkin coffee creamer in Ontario, so we're gonna go and see if it's at Walmart. So let's boogie. I have to go inside, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of our welcome sign. I just paid a little local gal that I found on Facebook that made it, so you guys are getting the sneak peek of this, but I think it's so cute, and I'm gonna leave it in the cart for a little bit because I don't need to bring it in. Guys, came home to a cute puppy. Hi, Stell. What time is it? You guys are lucky you're getting a little sneak peek of the Halloween stuff, mainly because I just don't know what's gonna go in the office yet, and I'm decorating that today. So got these little guys at the dollar store. They're cute. I wish they were orange plaid, but whatever. Got this little sign at Michael's. I think that might go in my office, or these pumpkins I got on Marshall's. I can't decide. But then I also got this pumpkin. And when I was at Walmart getting dog food, they had freaking pumpkin spice coffee whitener. That's disgusting. But it's actually lactose free, and I've never seen pumpkin spice coffee creamer in Canada, so I had to get it even though I will die. It is lactose free, but it's not dairy free, so I might die. But that's my little fall sneak peek that y'all are getting. Okay, so I'm home. I'm gonna eat because I haven't had lunch yet. I had breakfast at 10:30 and I'm literally starving, so we're gonna eat something super quick. I have some like leftover HelloFresh, and then we're gonna get to decorating the office and just having like a fun little spooky afternoon. I would have another coffee, but I've had 3 today and I think that's enough. So we're going to make some dinner, maybe have a glass of wine, and decorate my office, and then the rest of the decorating will happen on Sunday in my actual decorate with me. But I obviously had to give you guys like a little something in a fall vlog. So that's that. I also want to change the background on my computer and make like a Canva collage for fall. I think that would be super cute. And yeah, so let's heat some food up and then we'll get to decorate. Everything on the to-do list for today. Such a great day, honestly. This is my dinner, which probably looks really gross. It was really pretty when we made it, but it is the HelloFresh Turkish spiced Turkish beef with pickled cabbage and rice and garlic sauce. So good, you guys. This is not sponsored. I really wish it was, but so good. So I'm gonna have these leftovers, and then I think I'm going to work on my spooky background on Canva, and I'll show you guys that when it's done. And if you guys are interested in it, I'll put it down below. Guys, like Stella came upstairs to keep me company while I decorate, and she wrapped herself in the blanket. But anyways, I just brought her bed in here and her crate. Oh yeah, she's just gonna go sit there. Made kind of like a little Canva inspiration board for the office. I don't know, I've just been really vibing with these. So I wanted to go for like subtle Disney. I do have Disney stuff that's on its way, and I will definitely update you guys when I get it. But for now, we're just gonna decorate with what we have. You guys know I love to do this, so big DIY is to either buy signs or make them. I honestly made these all on Canva, except for this one. I'll show you guys that after, but I made these all on Canva. Super easy, 8x10s, and then you just put them in the frame. So, ma'am, your monkey. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start off by probably like just clearing this off. I'm gonna clear this off. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take these down, switch the frames out, and we'll start with that. Prints all done. I wanted to do 2 coats and then something Disney, so I got this one off of Etsy. I can link it down below, and then these 2 I made on Canva. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually I need to find my command strips. Also, I just use command strips if you guys are wondering. And so this is for the kitchen, and then I got this one for our coffee bar. This one's from Etsy. I think it's so cute. So those are the 2 other ones. Y'all are getting a sneak peek. But I'm gonna go ahead and hang these ones up now. I just love how simple it is. I love the pop of orange here because then I can kind of put some pops of orange and black on here. So let's put these up and see what they look like. I just put them up. I love them so much. I just love how like plain it is, but also so like subtle Disney. And I just changed the background on my laptop. So this is my little fall one. Let me know if you guys are interested and you want it, and I can totally send it to you guys. It just made it super quick and easy, but I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna kind of like put this here and then like put my phone here, and then try and figure out what I want to put here in terms of decor. I'm just gonna put this candle here for now. I do need to definitely get a fall candle. I'm also not sure about this like gold pumpkin, but I don't know, maybe like that. Or maybe I'll just put the candle, maybe I'll put the pumpkin over here with the Google, and then put the candle over here for now. I don't know. I like the leaves though. I think they're cute. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna stay there forever, but I definitely think that they're cute. But that's the decor we're gonna go with for now. It is gonna wait till Sunday. I want to decorate the whole house now, but I don't have time. But I do love my little Halloween area. Stell, do you want to clean the closet? Are you ready to clean the closet with mom? Are you ready? You guys, my next mission is to tackle the closet. Since we're obviously not going anywhere on vacation, I don't really need to keep my shorts out, and I don't think I'll really be able to wear them. So my plan is to have a closet makeover. So figure out what to do. Hi, cutie girl. I think I'm just gonna put my sweaters in here. I don't have a lot. I already bought hangers for them, but I need to change out like my shorts and stuff and put them in the spare closet. Obviously they're like literally just right there if we need them, but I definitely don't need them anymore. So I've already started to take out a few. They're over there, but I definitely need to like hang stuff up and just reorganize the closet. So let's go find Ma'am, what are you doing with all the socks? So update, I think all my winter clothes are at my parents'. Oh my God, what are you doing, psycho? I think they're at my parents' house. So we're gonna put what we have for now, but then we're gonna have to go see Grandma and Grandpa and get our winter clothes, okay? But I guess we can put what we have for now and then like still put the summer stuff away. Tell, but all my sweaters are in now, and then I moved my shorts and stuff. Well, my shorts are just in here and my bathing suits are in here, and they're just gonna go into the spare room, and then my jean jackets are gonna go downstairs because I obviously wear those a lot. Stella, what is that? But yay, I'm so glad we got all that done. Fall vlog, I show you guys my super cute little mug that I got from Marshall's. It is a huge mug. It has a cute little pumpkin on the bottom, but it's so big and cute. I've really just been into more like subtle decor. Well, not really decor, but like mugs and stuff. I have that one, and then I have this one from last year. It's the only Halloween one I have from last year, but I'm getting a Mickey one from Disney, which is exciting. King, which is so yummy. Coffee, which is the Joe's Harvest Pumpkin Spice Ground coffee. So I love that. You guys, I just decided it was time for a glass of wine. I'm having the Babe Pinot Grigio with bubbles to start the night off. And yes, I said start the night because it's Friday and I don't work tomorrow, so your girl's getting wine drunk. So I have my glass here, and I'm gonna reply to comments because that is my favorite thing to do, and I just posted a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and reply to all the comments. Literally, it's like Christmas, I love it. Alrighty guys, it is currently 7:30. I'm about to end the vlog off. I'm actually just editing it right now for you guys. I'm super excited to get it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of like themed vlog. I would love to do more fall vlogs for you once like fall is like in full swing. I know I'm a keener. I love fall and Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday. I've always been like that. Even since I was a kid, I've like loved Halloween. I've loved Halloween so much. So let me know down below if you guys are like me. I love Halloween more than Christmas. Like, I've always loved it. I've always loved ghosts and creepy things and horror movies. Literally for my 8th birthday, my parents bought me Halloween and Final Destination. Like, I love anything spooky. So I've always been like that. I've always been into like ghosts and ghost stories and Halloween and witches since I was a kid. I'm just so happy we have our own place now so that we can decorate. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know down below if you guys are excited to see my fall shop and decorate with me video. I know it's like not my typical style video, but I had to do it for you guys. I'm so excited. And comment down below if you guys want to see a fall / Halloween house tour. I would love to do that for you guys when I have everything like 100% set in place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall cozy vlog. Let me know what your favorite part was. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already because it helps the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't for more fall fun home decor videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.